Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled, because scanning requires both. Once done, open the updated BLE Scanner app or initialize the library in your project. This is the first actionable step toward discovery. Make sure to select an appropriate scan mode, low latency for real-time detection or low power to conserve battery. While you prepare, configure scan filters to limit results to relevant device types and reduce noise. Next, configure filters and scan parameters to focus the search. You specify UIDs, device names, or RSSI thresholds so the scanner returns only relevant advertisements. This reduces processing and power use. Then choose interval and window values to balance responsiveness versus battery consumption. Shorter intervals catch transient packets but use more power. Start the scan, collect advertisement packets, and parse payload fields like manufacturer data and service data to extract the information you need for your app logic. To finish, stop scanning as soon as you found the target or reached a configured timeout so the device conserves battery. Once identified, initiate connection and perform pairing or read GAT characteristics as required. If you encounter problems, first verify app permissions and that Bluetooth and location services are truly enabled. Then check the radio state and whether the peripheral is actively advertising. If discovery is intermittent, widen RSSI thresholds, remove overly restrictive filters, and retry with a low-latency scan window to validate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.